Okay, so now we're dealing with finance, and we've been given a couple of problems. For simple interest, the amount returned equals the principal times the quantity, 1 plus R means rate, N corresponds to the number of years. For compound interest, we haven't gotten there yet, so we'll go over this when we get there. But here's our simple interest rate problem. It says, suppose you're looking to buy a $15,000 face value 26-week T-bill, Treasury bill. If you want to earn at least 6% annually, what is the most you should pay for the T-bill? Well, the value we want to get back is going to be $15,000. That's A. The rate is 6% or 0.06. And the number of years, well, 6 months is just 26 weeks is 6 months, or just 1/2 a year. So then $15,000 is going to equal, we don't know how much we're going to have to pay for this thing. That's what the question is. So times 1 plus, and rate is 0.06 times 1/2 there. And so then $15,000 equals P times, and 1 plus and half of 0.06 is 0.03. So now we've got to isolate P. So let's divide, and by the way, let me keep going here before we do that. And this is going to be P, and if we add 3 cents to a dollar, we have 1.03. Now to isolate P, we'll divide both sides by 1.03. 1.03. And when we do that, and I'm going to put the P over here, we have 15,000 divided by 1.03. And if you take your calculator and carry out that division, you'll get $14,563, and when you round, you get 11 cents. So that's what you're going to have to pay for that T-bill in order to get 15,000 back at the end of 26 weeks when you're getting a 6% annual interest rate. Here's our next finance problem. And this time, we're using compound interest, so we need this formula right here. And that's A, the amount you get back at the end of however many years, equals the principal, what you put in, times the quantity, 1 plus the rate, R is rate, divided by K. K is the number of compoundings per year. So rate divided by number of compoundings per year, close the parentheses, and in the exponent position, N the number of years, times K, the number of compoundings per year. So in this case, the principal is 8,000. We put that in the account. And the rate is 3%, 0.03. It's compounded monthly, so we have 12 compoundings per year. And the length of time is 30 years. So now the question is, well, how much do we have at the end of 30 years? So amount equals $8,000 times 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 compoundings per year, raised to the 30 years times 12 compoundings per year, times 12. So that's going to be $8,000 times 1 plus, and let's see, 0.03 divided by 12, 0.03 divided by 1, 2 is 0.0025. And raised to the 30 times 12 is 360. So that equals 8,000 times 1 point, adding these up, 0025 raised to the 360. And now we'll compute that, and when we run that through the computer, the amount equals $19,654, and when you round, you get 74 cents. Okay, so that's A. That's part A. Now, the next issue is, well, what was the interest? So B, if we subtract the principal, the money we started with, from this value, we'll have the interest. So the interest equals $19,654.74 minus, and we started with $8,000. And so that equals, the interest equals, and I get $11,654.74. And that's the interest we made. So we've done part B, we did part A, and there's our values, and we're done.